In this video, I'm gonna walk you guys through how we're gonna use this high to low iso row. We're gonna make it a lat exercise. First thing you need are D handles. We're gonna do this one arm at a time. So whatever arm you're pulling with, you're gonna put that leg in front. You're gonna take that same leg, that butt cheek is gonna come off the pad. You can put this knee, support down, push it tight. Now you're going to drive that lead leg. You're gonna push it hard into the front of the machine. You're gonna take your hip. You're going to open it this way while you push that front foot hard. You can brace with that opposite arm. And now it's just gonna be a normal pull down. Just gonna hang out in that range. Let it pull you forward and then driving that shoulder and elbow down. And then you wanna make sure that you're initiating the concentric with taking that shoulder and elbow and pulling them down versus taking your shoulder blades and trying to pull it back here. You don't want to pull back here. You want to pull down towards your hip. As for determining the seat height, it's going to be fairly easy to know if you're in the right spot or not, because if you put the seat, say, too low, the groove that you're going to find yourself in, I guess, or therefore lack of groove, the arm slot you're going to have to use, if you have the seat too low, it's just going to feel awkward and not right. So if I have it too low and I pull, you can see how this just gets really just like gross and like more into my bicep and forearm. If I put the seat way too high and I try and do this, it's also going to feel weird. And it's going to maybe even feel like almost like a tricep thing trying to move it down. So you'll know you're in the right spot when just like it feels good, you can groove it, and it should be pretty damn focused on that lat.